Hi, this is David Kong, cooking out in the wild camping. We are in Sedona in Arizona. So what we have today is I'm going to make some fresh pasta, and all the ingredients you have over here is in my recipe books. So we have high gluten flours with semolina flours, eggs, spring water, another table flour, extra table flour for making the pasta, salt, sea salt, extra virgin olive oil. Okay, here we go. First, we're gonna crack the eggs. So there are many ways to do it, and you will see a lot of people were doing on the tables. But today I want to make it nice and clean, so I don't want to clean up because we conserve water in the desert. Okay, so I put these flours in the bowl. So I'm gonna crack it. The egg yolk. This egg, I bought it from Tombstone down there. The people who raise their own chickens, and we get some nice fresh eggs. So egg yolks. Save the white for breakfast or something else. Go. Away. Some salt. Extra virgin olive oil. Yippee yippee. Okay. This is the fingers. Mix it well, very nice. Slowly incorporate. Go slowly. Get thicker. Now you put some water. See how I make it nice? Some more water. So it all depends the flour. Sometimes the flour, the humidity is a little high, so you need more water onto it. So you have to play until like you make a dough into it. Just squeezing. Push it down. Just a little bit more, and that's it. Basta così. Keep on making muscles. It's good workout, especially in camping. Do some workout. Over here. All the goodies out here, very good goodies. Roll it up. Okay, keep on kneading. And you see, it's getting smoother. Dough, keep on kneading. Push the muscles, get some muscles going. Yes. Yes. There you go. By the way, the weather today was like 80, 85 degrees. It's amazing. Sedona, very, very spiritual. And I think we're gonna stay at least for 14 days. Okay, as you see, it's getting to the dough. You see I knead this way, turn around, knees, push it down. Push it down. There you go. Push it down. Push it down. Push it down. And do a nice ball. Okay. So all this, let it sit. We're gonna wrap it up in the film wrap and let it rest for 1 hour. Okay. I will see you in 1 hour. Ciao. 30 minutes to an hour because now the here is really hot. So I get it to like less than 35 minutes. It's nice and soft. so that it's rested. Now we're gonna make the pasta. Today the pasta, we call it tagliatelle. And Italian they call it tagliatelle. In America they call it fettuccine. I let you, use your own judgment. So right now the dough is nice and soft. So when I open up into it, I'm gonna cut into half. And press it down. By the way, these cutting boards, I bought it from all the way from Italy this year in January. It's olive trees, and it's 100 years old olive trees. And this cutting board, I love it very much. Okay, yeah, it's a pasta. You set up the biggest number it is, and you start rolling up. Unbelievable. In the middle of, yeah, for one time, fold it this way, and then the size you want here, put it down, roll again. Happy pasta. Okay, when the pasta starts to stick, you put a little flour, just like flour. That's why the bench flour we have over here. Here you go, make it nice and straight again. Put in here, roll and roll and roll. Now you roll about 3 times. Now you skip the number. This is number 7. Now I skip it to number 5. That's it. Get this pasta, roll and roll. Nice, very nice. Go, and then this I do this one time. Now I do number 3. Side. Roll, 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 and roll, and roll, and roll, and roll. Okay. Do one more time. Roll, and roll, and roll, and roll. Beautiful. Now you got the pasta. Very good. Nice. Now I just put it into number 2. And here you go. Beautiful. So from here, I'm ready to cut. I just cut into half. So it's about 12-inch. And you set up into the cutter. So it's one cutter is a linguine thinner, and this is a tagliatelle shape onto it. So all you do is just, before you do it, you put a little flour so it won't stitch in. Okay. I want to let you know, just in case if you see this thing, it's not very smooth, you can go one more time and roll it up into it, which I'm going to show you right now. And now they are more smoother. Bello. Okay, we're ready to cut it. Go, put it over here. And you cut it. Bello. Now you got the tagliatelle. Put a little flour here. Shake it up. Sometimes the cutter doesn't cut very good, so all you do is just kind of pinch it up. Over here we have extra here, which I do some. So you just put it. Do you know this is how fresh pasta in Sedona? Mamma mia, Davide, you're incredible. To all the chef tools, have a camping, bring a pasta machine, flour and this, so easy to make it. All right, so here he goes, and just stretch it out and get a beautiful pasta. Che bello. Che bello. Okay, and then do this one. Same principle. A fresh pasta. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Yes! To all the mama, when they see this Davide, you're incredible. Middle of nowhere. Okay, this is a fettuccine. I think it's good for maybe 17 people. No, just me and my wife. She eat a lot. That's why she's like camping. Alright, I will see you the next one. We're gonna do how to do the tagliatelle alla Perche'no. Ciao Bella!